Hao. Hey girls. The sun is out. Can you believe it? Do you know how we say sun in Chinese? 太阳. Say 太阳.
太阳.
Okay. Okay. So we did 2 lessons already. So this should be your 3rd video. So if you haven't watched the other 2, go watch the other 2 first because that will help you with your pronunciation. And right. Okay. Questions. So I'm going to do what I did last time and ask you if you remember what it is before I give it away. So what is the word for what? Do you know? Think about it for a second. And you also have your glossary next to you if you did what I told you to do in the last video. So you can look there. It is 什么. So there's our U sound again. Do not say 什么. It's 什么. It's got a U sound, right? Okay. When. Okay, so I've told y'all this before, but oh, my marker's when we say where, when we say when, we say 什么, and then we use the word for time, which is 时候. 时候. Remember this sound we just talked about earlier? This I sound at the end of the SH has that weird sound, 时. So 时候. Can you say 时候?
时候.
Yeah. 什么时候 is when. My dog's doing something weird. Okay. Where we just talked about. We did jelly and nali. So there's different ways you could say that. We could say nali, which is one I've already taught you. Nali means where. You could also say, oh, sorry, this is annoying. You could also say 什么. We just learned this word. I think I've got it down here too, but 什么地方. So you can say 在哪里 or 在什么地方, and we're going to talk more about 在 right here. Why? We got that 什么 word again, very useful word. 为什么 means why. 为什么? Can you say 为什么?
为什么?
为什么? So, remember there's that IE again. It's not pronounced like E or I. It says A. Like in the word 8 in English. It's the E-I-G-H sound. 为什么? Okay. How, also, you've learned before. 怎么? This ma sound is everywhere, right? 怎么? Say 怎么? Yeah. 怎么? Okay. So, 在. We've talked about it a couple of times before. And if you notice when I say 在, I don't say the Z exactly like we do in English. Look, Kip is trying to attack me with the dog pillow. I say it a little sharper. It's almost like a T-ish sound before it's a 在. 在. Okay, and it means at, or it's just used to indicate places, or so you put this word before places or before words that ask about places, like 在哪里, which means where. Remember, we just did that. 在哪里? 在这里 means here, but you can't just say 这里 or 哪里 all the time. You have to say 在, and 在什么地方 means at what place. 在我的家, we just talked about that. So do you remember what that means? 在我的家. Do you remember what it means, Bailey?
At my house.
Yes, at my, remember?
我
When we
的.
say 我的 means my. 家 is house, so 在我的家. And so the other thing to remember is when you're talking about place in Chinese, you put this phrase, these phrases, before the verb that you're talking about. So, you know how we'll say, I'm going to play outside in English? So we put the word where we're going to play after the verb a lot of times, right? But in Mandarin, you usually say it first. So you would say, we outside play. So I just wrote some examples here like this. So if I wanted to ask, where do you want to eat? I would say, ni yao. That means want, remember? 在哪里吃饭 means where do you want to eat? So 在哪里吃饭 or 在这里休息. Shoshi means to rest. It's on your list of words that you have. And 在这里休息. So that means if I want to say 我在这里休息 means I'm going to rest right here. And see how I translated that in English? I put the here after the verb, but in Mandarin you put it before the verb. So 你在什么地方去? Where are you going? So this is like, what place are you going to? Because 去 means to go. 在我的家玩 play. Remember this? We had this. So that means play at my house. So you could say like 你要在我的家玩吗? That would be a question. 你要在我的家玩吗? Which would mean, do you want to play at my house? So, I'm going to send you pictures of this boards so that you can look at them and copy it down, either while you're listening to the video or after you're done with the video. And you might need to watch it again to make sure you got it. Got it?